side. So as you can see, I've had to take out the inlet manifold to get the airbox out of the way so I can get to the coil pack plug, because it was just too difficult. And also when I was taking out the inlet manifold, you could see this fuel rail is bent, so I've ordered another one of those. So unfortunately we're not going to get the car back up and working in this video, but I'm going to continue and take the rest of the loom out now. To gain better access on the driver's side, I made the decision to pull the inlet manifold off. It just made life a lot easier.